Welcome to Harvey Cooper Cars. This is our 2019 69 plate BMW 218d Coupe M Sport, finished in the mineral white, covered 26,000 miles. It comes with a full service history. It does look absolutely stunning in this metallic white. In terms of options, we have the M Performance kit, so the gloss black front splitter, the side skirts and the rear lip spoiler, the M Performance door mirror caps as well, a set of 18-inch diamond turned alloy wheels with the red brake calipers there, look absolutely incredible, privacy glass to the rear, and then working our way inside, we've got the automatic transmission, the BMW iDrive with different driving modes, have a quick peek at the rear seats as well. You can put the rear seats down using these levers here, and it does extend all the way to the back there. So again, if you'd like any more information on this BMW 218d, please do get in touch.